Hi, this is Tim from HTC PDair with this PDair aluminum case for the HTC Desire. Here is the case itself. It's 100% made from aluminum. It's an interesting design. It's a little flip open case design. All you do is place your phone in here, latch it up, and you're ready to go. Now this is an open screen design, so you could access your screen. Has cutouts for the volume rockers, on the back for the camera, flash, and the speaker grill, on the bottom for your charging port, top for your power button and your headphone jack. There's also little cutouts on the front for the light sensor and your front speaker grill. This case does come with a belt clip. All you have to do is screw on this little nub right here onto the back. So just screw that on and you're able to use your belt clip. 360 degrees of rotation, quick release. Doesn't have any locking points, it's just free spinning. This is Tim from HTC PDair with this PDair aluminum case for the HTC Desire.